Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity options. Options contracts give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price by a certain date. Fidelity offers a robust platform for trading these instruments, allowing you to potentially profit from both rising and falling markets. It's crucial to understand the fundamentals of calls and puts, as each contract represents 100 shares of the underlying security. Remember, options trading involves significant risk. Before you can begin trading options, you'll need to enable this feature on your Fidelity account. This involves a simple application process where Fidelity reviews your financial situation and trading experience. They categorize options trading into 4 levels, with Level 1 being the most basic and Level 4 allowing for more complex strategies. Approval ensures you have the necessary understanding and resources for the chosen level. Make sure your account is well-funded to support your trading activities. Once your account is set up, placing an options trade on Fidelity is straightforward. Navigate to the Trade tab and select Options to bring up the trading interface. Here, you'll choose the specific stock you want to trade options on, decide between a call or a put, and pick an expiration date. Then, select your desired strike price and the quantity of contracts. Always double-check all the details of your order, including the premium and total cost, before clicking Place Order. Managing your options positions effectively is key to successful trading. Keep a close eye on your open trades through your Fidelity portfolio, observing how factors like time decay, also known as theta, and market volatility impact your options value. You have the flexibility to close out positions at any time before expiration, allowing you to secure gains or cut losses. Always be mindful of the expiration date to prevent automatic exercise or assignment, which can have significant financial implications.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.